What exactly is machine learning? So, let me give you a short history of machine learning. So, machine learning was first coined by Arthur Samuel in the year 1959, which is just 3 years from when artificial intelligence was coined, right? So, looking back, that year was probably the most significant in terms of technological advancements, because most of the technologies today are based on the concept of machine learning. Most of the AI technologies itself are based on the concept of machine learning and deep learning. Don't get confused about machine learning and deep learning. We'll discuss about deep learning in the further slides, where we'll also see the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. So, coming back to what exactly machine learning is. So, if you browse through the internet, you'll find a lot of definitions about what exactly machine learning is. One of the definitions I found was a computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to some class of task T, and performance measure P if its performance at tasks in T as measured by P improves with experience E. That's very confusing. So let me just narrow it down to you in simple terms. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, which provides machines the ability to learn automatically and improve from experience without being explained explicitly programmed to do so. In the sense, it is the practice of getting machines to solve problems by gaining the ability to think. But now you might be thinking, how can a machine think or make decisions? Now, machines are very similar to humans. Okay, if you feed a machine a good amount of data, it will learn how to interpret, process, and analyze this data by using machine learning algorithms, and it will help you solve real-world problems. So what happens here is a lot of data is fed to the machine. The machine will train on this data and it will build a predictive model with the help of machine learning algorithms in order to predict some outcome or in order to find some solution to a problem. So it involves data. You're going to train the machine and build a model by using machine learning algorithms in order to predict some outcome or to find a solution to a problem. So that is a simple way of understanding what exactly machine learning is. I'll be going into more depth about machine learning, so don't worry if you haven't understood anything as of nowhere.